Hi, this is Kurt Buddick at ForConstructionPros.com. We're here at Truck Country. We're with Damian Popish. He's a service advisor here, and we had a question here about the the elite support dealers. What exactly separates your service from a normal dealer?
What separates us from a normal dealer here with Elite Support is we work to get the customer in and out quickly as possible with the lowest amount of downtime. We monitor the time you come in from the first time we punch time onto it, the time you diagnosed, and then estimated for you to get out to give you the proper, to let you know how long and what it's going to cost to get you out in time.
Okay, and I understand that Freightliner has a target, I believe, of 72 hours for the Elite Support dealer?
Yes, Freightliner's target is to average 72 hours per truck to get in the door, get diagnosed, and get repaired. Here at Truck Country, we aim for 24 hours from the time that your truck gets written up to the time that we are actually releasing the truck to you to be able to get back on the road.
I understand you're currently quite a ways along that target. You're how close to 24 hours now? You're pretty close?
Currently, we're at about approximately 27, 28 hours per truck averaging. That's every truck that we go in, whether it be a complete overhaul on average or just a service.
And I understand, is this part of the dealership too, the express bay or the quick diagnostic? Is that
Yeah,
part
so
of
what we do is we offer an express bay. By the time you get signed in with us at the service counter, we try to, within an hour, have you in the door to start being diagnosed. So within 2 hours, we can have you with letting you know how long it's going to take for the repair, how long it's going to cost, and go from there.
Okay. Is there anything else that's unique about the Elite Support Dealer Program?
One of the other things that we do here at Truck Country is, as far as our parts go, if there's a part we do not have on hand, we will try to get it locally, or we will actually pay the first $50 of freight for you to have the part here quicker to get you back on the road quicker. Most of the time the part's generally available, or we're within 24 hours have the part. If it's at one of our other dealers, we will send courtesy drivers, our own drivers, to get the same part the same day. Another thing is we treat every customer the same, whether it's a big fleet or whether it's just a driver off the road. By the time they come in, we're writing them up the same, we're getting them through the same express bay, we're doing the same thing for parts.
Damian, what changes have you seen during your 17 years of working at Truck Country?
Some of the changes that we've seen, we started to do a 5S where we actually make sure we have all the correct tooling that we need. Not only the stuff that they require us to have, but other tools that may help us to get the job done quicker. We do footprinting, whether it be in the shop, on the shop floor, or in our tool room where every tool goes, so every mechanic has an opportunity to go to where it needs. That helps us with our goal towards averaging 24 hours. To get to the 24 hours, it doesn't only take just the mechanics, it takes from the person that writes it up, the mechanics, our parts guys, our delivery guys. We all have to work as a team to have the opportunity to get to that 24-hour goal to average on a turnaround of a truck.
Damian, thanks a lot for telling us about it.
Thanks for coming and having us.
Thank you.
Thank you.